Have you seen an entire village coming together for this festival? Village in Goa celebrates this mud festival every year on the day of Dwadashi, a day after Ekadashi. We are here at Marshall, the Sri Devaki Krishna Ravalnath Samsthan, where the Chikal Kalo takes place every year. The Sri Devaki Krishna Ravalnath Samsthan is a temple that is extremely unique, not just because of this festival, but because it is the only temple where Lord Krishna is worshipped along with Devaki.
While the exact date of when this festival started remains unknown, the tradition of Chikal Kalo has been celebrated for centuries. Chikal Kala literally translates to mud play and is celebrated annually on Dwadashi, the day after Ekadashi in the month of Ashad. The 3-day festival started on the 5th of July this year in collaboration with the Goa Tourism Department. Various festivities were organized and kirtan, bhajans, devotional songs, etc. were performed. Then on Ekadashi, the Samai was lit, which was then followed by aartis and bhajans. These continued for an entirety of 24 hours till 12 noon today. Men across all age groups then smeared their bodies with oil, which forms a protective layer over the skin. They enter inside with the chants of Jai Vitthal and Hari Vitthal, performing the pradakshina around the temple and Samai. A puja and arti is then performed of the Samai, and then they make their way to the ground where the festival takes place. Various traditional games such as Chendu Fari, Gilli Danda, etc. are played with much enthusiasm. These are the games that Lord Shri Krishna is said to have played as a child, and this festival recreates them. What stood out this year is that while everyone was out clicking the perfect frame or shooting, an artist stood away in a quiet corner, capturing the perfect frame with his brushes and paints.
So what I'm doing is I'm painting different festival across Goa. I visit the smallest place and my plan is to paint live. So I don't make any pictures and paint at home, because what I believe is painting is about capturing the essence of this event.
Sachin Revankar captured the essence of Goa's culture and traditions through a beautiful live painting.
I am Mr. Raghuveer Shirodkar, ex-retired teacher. I know that at the age of 3 or 4, so I am coming to play with Chikal Kala. But now I am 60. So last 50, 55 years or 60 years, so it begins. Because older people are there, 70 people are participating. And these days, it is very important that on this day, the born child or the age of 80s, they are staying today. Nobody goes for work and all.
What do you enjoy the most about this?
This is not enjoyment, because once in a year we are getting the chance to play in this mud and all. For rest of the time we are busy with the work. All the people are busy with the work and all. So this is the time. That's why I told that we are putting the leave and all. All the people from Marshall are there, but they are staying. All the schools are given the holidays because of the Chikal Kala. That is the very important of the Chikal Kala from the Marshall. And all over the Goa, most popular, all over India, it is so famous for this.
So since when has this festival been celebrated?
So there is no record as such, but a lot of villagers, the town people are saying that it is more than 100 years it seems, and celebrated at a very high level. In fact, it is I should say that rather than a state festival, it has become now an international festival. Everybody is waiting for the Chikal Kala as such.
What are the games that are played now?
See, ultimately I'll tell you, on the Ashadi Ekadashi, they light up the lamp in the temple, say around at 11:30, that is yesterday. And after that, at 12 o'clock today, they do the rituals, and thereafter they play a lot of games, which include frog games, bridal and this thing, it's very new wedding is considered, and they play that. A frog game, which is ultimately one of the best game, I should say. A lot of games are there. A Chakravyuh game is also there, which people enjoy the game, and ultimately it is a childhood of the Lord Krishna, which basically celebrate. So it is the tribute to the Lord Krishna, as I said to you. It is normally called as a Gopal Kalo, which turns to be a Chikal Kalo because they play in this particular mud.
From the elders to the youngsters participate in this festival enthusiastically. Children often fling their friends into the mud or toss the mud all over their friends, and one can't help but smile at the antics of the gleeful children. The breaking of the Dahi Handi also then takes place, where the youngsters gather around and break the earthen pot. As the festivities come to an end, they head to the waters for a bath, thus closing the curtains on the festival, a festival that celebrates the bond between the Lord, known for his playful pranks, and his devotees who come here every year without fail to recreate the play with mud.
So this was the celebration of the Chikhal Kala festival or the Gopal Kala, which happens at the Sri Devki Krishna Ravalnath Samsthan at Marshall. For more such content, don't forget to subscribe to Gomantak Times YouTube channel, your gateway to Goa.